Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 87, Room. This is another one of our lateral thinking puzzles, and I'm really impressed, and thank you so much all the people who are engaging with these puzzles and the great feedback you've given me. Let's see how you go with today's one. Can you name a special type of room with no windows or doors? A clue will be given on the next slide. So try your best to solve it, and if you're having a little bit of trouble, just wait for the clue, and in the meantime you actually may solve it. So I'll give you the clue in about 2 minutes' time. Good luck with it. Okay, as promised, we have a clue on the next slide. That's if you need it. Congratulations if you got the answer. If not, this clue should help you. So the puzzle was, can you name a special type of room with no windows or doors? And the clue is, it can grow. So the answer is on the next slide. That's if you don't solve it, but I think you might get it with that clue. So I will give you the answer in exactly 1 minute. Okay, as promised, here we go with the answer. Congratulations if you solved it. So here we go. Can you name a special type of room with no windows or doors? The answer? A mushroom. And the clue was it can grow. So I think you might have got that one. Congratulations if you did, and I certainly hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I will go there right now.